Finally, I got your attention. I urge you to press the power off button on your smartphone or whichever device which you are using right now. We must have a self-control towards the usage of digital technology. We are losing the art and charm of face-to-face communication. Gestures are being replaced by emojis. Including me, everyone on the internet wants your time and attention. More you stare at the screen, someone on the internet makes money. That is why we creators tend to spice up our content. These dynamic platforms, like the one where you are watching this video right now, ensures that there is a continuous supply of contents for you to consume so that you remain glued to the screen. This is attention economy. Subscribe to Offline Therapy so that our social media updates from time to time will remind you to go offline and lead a better life.